she still has her film, which she finished shooting. Was that last year? Yes, she finished shooting last year. That's still coming out, and we're very excited for that. And there's some other projects lined up, even projects that she will be producing herself. So we're very excited for her debut as a producer and director.
Style is pretty laid back, but I'm really into good quality fabrics and stuff. So even though I'm not a minimalist, but I'm kind of on the border of becoming a minimalist, I like to stick to classic timeless colors. Spice my outfits up by adding texture to my clothes or accessorizing, and so one of my favorite ways to accessorize is by having a really nice bag. And so one of my most favorite bags ever is the Gucci Bamboo 1947, and that is this baby right here. It's classic, but also it has a little trendy element to it because of the bamboo. And I also like that it feels like it's Southeast Asian or Asian in general because of the bamboo. And then another way that I love to accessorize is by wearing sunglasses. I love sunglasses because it's a good way to kind of add mystery to yourself, but also look really cool. And so here are these Gucci sunglasses, and I normally prefer bigger sunglasses because I like that it just kind of eats up my whole face. When I'm feeling a little unprepared for the day, I just cover up with some sunglasses. And then last but not least, everybody knows this about me, I really love wearing jackets. I love covering up because I never know when I'm gonna feel cold, right? I know it's hot in the Philippines, but I'm constantly indoors and there's aircon everywhere, so I love a good jacket. And I have this really awesome piece from Gucci as well, and I love that it has the little leather detail, but also you have the logo all over and the gold hardware. It makes it really classic and chic, but also trendy at the same time. So a good balance of trendy and classic, I would say, is my style. Hi Mega Magazine, this is Liza Soberano.